Guys, phone protection is one of those things that's pretty boring until your brand new phone picks up its first scratch. And with phones costing what they do now, I'd rather avoid that little stomach drop moment altogether. So today we're taking a look at some new protection gear from Benks. We've got the Omni Warrior screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Plus we've got two iPhone 17 Pro cases, the Night case and the ArmorGrid ArmorAir case built with Kevlar. So no silly scratch test today. I'm not attacking my phone with tools just to make a point. What I want to know is simple. Does it fit properly? Does it feel good? And does it protect the bits that matter? And does it still let the phone feel like a phone that you actually bought? So guys, if you're looking for a screen protector or a new case for your iPhone 17 Pro or Samsung S26, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is a small collection of phone protection accessories from Benks. Actually, we've also got this little handy stand grip thing as well. But anyway, before we get into it, Benks did send all of this stuff over for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. And I'll say this up front. I already use a Benks case on my own phone, so I'm not coming into this completely cold. And like I said, today we've got these three things to look at. We've got the Omni Warrior screen protector, which is available for the iPhone 17 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S26. And we've got the Benks Night case for the iPhone 17 Pro, which has a Chinese Year of the Horse design across the back and around the camera section. So that's pretty cool. And guys, we've got the ArmorGrid ArmorAir case also for the iPhone 17 Pro, which uses DuPont Kevlar fiber. So let's get them out of the box and see what they're all about. Starting with a screen protector, guys. Inside the box, you get the protector itself, you get the cleaning kit, and you get the installation frame. And I'm always pleased to see a proper frame included because screen protectors can be a bit of a pain if you're trying to line them up by eye. You clean the screen, use the dust stickers, place the frame over the phone, then pull the tabs through in order to apply the protector. If the protector is good but the fitting process is a nightmare, most people are going to mess it up or trap dust under it or just give up halfway through and start questioning their life choices. Now guys, once the Omni Warrior is on the phone, the first thing I'm checking is the fit around the edges. The borders are slim so it doesn't feel like eating into the display, and the edges are slightly curved, which helps when you're swiping around the screen. And that's important because the annoying thing with some screen protectors is not the middle of the glass, it's the edges. If the edges catch, lift, or fights with your case, that's when dust starts getting underneath it and the whole thing starts to look a little bit scruffy. Now, I'm not going to pretend that I've done a full lab test here because I haven't. What I'm checking is the normal stuff that actually matters day to day. Does the screen still look clear? Does touch response feel right? Does it work with the case fitted? And does it feel smooth when you're using the phone? Benks also says it's designed to avoid that rainbow effect that you can sometimes get with polarized sunglasses. And that's one of those small things that sounds boring on paper, but if you've ever looked at your phone outside with sunglasses on and the screen suddenly looks awful, you know exactly why that matters. Now guys, moving on to the cases. The first one is the Benks Night case for the iPhone 17 Pro. Now this one is definitely the more designed looking case of the two. It celebrates the Chinese Year of the Horse, so you've got that horse design running across the back of the case and also around the camera section. And I actually quite like that because it gives the case a bit of character without making it look cheap or overdone. It still feels like a proper phone case and not like a novelty case. Fit wise, this is the bit I care about the most. The phone needs to sit nicely inside it. The camera area needs to be protected and the buttons and cutouts need to line up cleanly, because you can have the nicest looking phone case in the world. I still like this case, But if the buttons feel horrible or the charging port is awkward, it gets annoying very quickly. The Night case keeps the phone fairly slim, so this isn't one of those huge rugged cases that makes your phone feel twice the size. You've got protection around the camera section, which is important now because camera bumps are basically small islands at this point. And there's also MagSafe support, so you know what, I'll test that with a MagSafe charger and accessory in a bit. Now guys, for normal everyday use, that's the balance I like. Enough protection to feel confident using it, but not so much bulk as the phone becomes unpleasant to hold. Then guys, we've got the ArmorGrid ArmorAir case. This one is a different feel altogether. It uses that DuPont Kevlar fiber, so you get that woven texture on the back, and it has more of a premium technical look. It's still slim, but it feels a little more serious than the Night case. You've got the aluminium camera frame, MagSafe compatibility, and a finish that should hold up better against general wear. Again, I'm not going to dress this up with loads of dramatic claims. What matters is how it feels in the hand. Oh, and by the way, I've dropped the phone with this slim case on it, and thank the Lord it was fine. So I don't see why that might be any different. So you don't need to have a big bulky case to protect your phone, but you know what? It's all about what you feel like. And also guys, it's what it feels like in the hand, whether the camera protection is sensible, whether the phone still charges wirelessly, and whether the case feels like something you'd actually want to keep on your phone. And that, for me, is where the two cases are slightly different. The Night case is the more visual one. It's the one you'd pick if you like that Year of the Horse design, which I do, and want something with a bit more personality. The ArmorGrid ArmorAir is the cleaner, more premium feeling option, especially if you like that Kevlar look. Now, none of them feel like they're trying to turn the phone into a brick, which is what I particularly like, because let's be honest, most of us don't want to put a case on at all, but we need the protection, right? But we still want the phone to look good and feel nice to use. So guys, there you have it. The Benks Omni Warrior screen protector and Night case, and the ArmorGrid ArmorAir Kevlar case. The Omni Warrior is the sensible one. It installs cleanly, feels smooth, and keeps the screen clear and works nicely with a case. And that's exactly what I want from a screen protector. The Night case is more distinctive here. That Year of the Horse design on the back and around the camera section gives it a bit of personality, but it still feels like a proper everyday case. And then guys, the ArmorGrid ArmorAir is the more premium looking option with that Kevlar fiber finish, the aluminium camera frame, and all of that stuff. They're nice cases. And guys, at the time of this video going live, check out the Benks website for the latest prices. I will also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Benks for sending me these cool accessories to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.